everybody, and welcome to the Stagecoach buses in. So journals 2125257, journals at about 400 and about 400. So today we're in Grimsby. So that's about 400 MMC. Here comes another Eclipse Urban. 270. One to get to first class. Here comes 26275. See you next. Just going out. 26256 on number 3 from Cleethorpes. Then there's TwoFifty on to Barton. Then up to Hull. Now coming in and follow 400. 19007. There's about 400 MC, about 200 MC over there, and number 5. See you next. Now donut, 1907, perhaps. Here comes 21262. There's Urban. Here comes 1905 and 50. See you next. Now doing out towards Cleethorpes on number 3. 26260 off the Cleethorpes. And here comes the internet. Eclipse Urban 21277 274. Now coming in and Family 200 27191. Coming from Cleethorpes. There's another Eclipse Urban up there, parked up. Here's about 400 we can't really do. One 9011. Now going on towards Cleethorpes. 21262. Eclipse Urban. And there was another about 200. What about the Eclipse Urban? $21268. Then there was 26257. is that? Right, heading out. 19011. Here we go. Here's that. Now going in. 26270. Then those 21260 donuts. There comes it in the connect about 400. Here's that. Now going out towards Cleethorpes, 26274. 19197. So here's that. Now going out, and number 10 via Cleethorpes. 21268. 21258 just moved up. That is also done via Cleethorpes. There's another Cleethorpes service over there. That'd be either number 4 or number 3. See you that. Now going up. 2126258. Eclipse Urban. Lots of traffic down there. No need to worry. So here comes number Eclipse Urban. 21268 again. Now approaching. Number 400. One of my number interconnect Eclipse Urban. So we got 19074. And we got 21271 I think. Yeah, 271. Now going out to Cleethorpes and number 3. Two six two seven 264. So 198 signs show up in its internet livery. Where's that? Going up. 198 still up. Followed by 21268. 21273. Surviving. And we got there in Enviro over there. Lovely. Now going out. 19074. See you next. Now coming in is 190 It's 19044. Here's that. Now going out towards Cleethorpes. Service about 261. Now going out 19044. Things are then bit slowing down a bit, so buses are slowly coming, but rather than earlier, they were obviously, so we'll wait till this one leaves. Now coming in, 21259. Eclipse Urban. I think that's the only things beyond that. Eclipse Urban's Enviro 400, 200 and Enviro 200. Older version. This is what you don't get at Grimsby. Enviro 200 MC 26261. See you there. So 19197 is back again. So then a whole few buses then we're on. One of the number 3's turned up. And Cleethorpes. Now on the approach. Enviro 200 and Enviro 400. 19014. It has no Cleethorpes service. Here's that. Now passing, it's then busy then. So we got 21259 in and out via Cleethorpes. There's another Cleethorpes service for passengers. So we got 19176, 19050. 19197 don't like that. And 26255. And got 4. So we got 26256 on that one, Cleethorpes. So we got Enviro 300 this time, 276639. And I think that's it. Things are down a lot lighter now. So after this one we'll finish off. I've got 250 on that. So we got 26259 on this one, and 26271. Going for Grimsby to Hull. So wait until this one leaves. Now one approach is about 300. Number 53. 27639, and then there's 21263. Not sure, not down camera, but if it's ever just went down, that'll be it. Now on approach is 21272. In its internet delivery. I don't think there's any more buses. Now just up over 19061 just went down, and these buses are then ready to depart there. They will finish it. Now going up, it's 21272. 19050 going out as well. No, not 26269. 19013. And 19007 is back again. Oh, just this one to go now. Right, there's a final bus. 27669 21261. That was cleethorpes. So I think it's time to end this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and well, see you next time. Don't know when our next bus is in episodes gonna be, but keep an eye out for that for the updates. I'll see you later.